Today we'll be making Kale Minestrone. Start by massaging your kale. Oh, you hold so much tension in your fronds. Pull the oldest, floppiest carrot you can find in your crisper drawer out and give it a peel. You're invited to the bris. Don't forget to strain your broth. Lube up that pan, cause this night's just beginning. Careful. Add in way too much onion. Did you even read the recipe? Give it a stir. Let the titillating sizzle take you away. Close your eyes and just listen. No, open your eyes again. Now look. Add in 5 cloves chopped garlic. Did I mention this garlic was stinky? Now to add some bold flavors. Here comes the celery. And some carrot too. Add in 2 cans fire roasted tomatoes. Press your finger down until you feel a little resistance. Oops. How did that get in there? Pour in that perfectly filtered thick broth from earlier. Give it a little shake. Right, fellas? Let it simmer away for 20 minutes. Add in 1 bay leaf, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, and fresh oregano. Introduce each rainbow twirl to the pot individually to ensure the perfect absorption. Yes, that is actually their name. Pick out all the yard garbage you added earlier. And remove the bay leaf. Wait, no. Leave it in. Add in 1 can of kidney beans and all the ripped kale. Give it a stir. Go ahead. Give it a stir. Stir it around already. Marvel at its beautiful sheen and luster and nutrition density. Somebody's going for a run in the morning. Pick out your favorite trough and slop that hot mess in, but just this once. I won't tell. Grab a loaf of your driest, most overproofed rye and cut a slice. Dip it in like you're a 12th century serf, and this was the best your peasant wife could do. Till next time.